In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online in Google Chrome and sign in to your account. Chrome is the recommended browser for the best performance, so make sure it's up to date. If you ever see pages not loading fully, a quick refresh or clearing your cache can help, but generally you should be good to go. Once you're in, head to the Sales menu on the left-hand side. From there, select Credit Memos. This takes you to a list showing the credit memos you've created. If you have a long list, use the search box or filters to narrow it down by customer name, date, or amount. The goal is to locate the exact credit memo you want to use, so take a moment to confirm the reference number and the amount before you proceed. Click to open the credit memo you want to apply. Inside the credit memo, look for the option that says Apply to Invoice. In some layouts, you may see a section that lets you choose the specific open invoice for that customer. Select the correct invoice you want to reduce with this credit. It's important that the invoice you pick belongs to the same customer as the credit memo. QuickBooks won't allow cross-customer applications. Next, confirm the amount you want to apply. If the credit memo and the invoice are the same amount, you can usually apply the full balance in one click. If you're only applying part of the credit, adjust the amount field so it reflects exactly what you want to use today. Any remaining credit will stay on the customer's account for future use. Review the details to make sure everything looks right, then save the transaction. Depending on your screen, the Save or Save and Close button is typically at the bottom right. Finally, verify that the invoice balance has been updated. Open the invoice you just applied the credit to and check the new total due. You should see the credit reflected as a payment or credit line, and the remaining balance should be reduced accordingly. If the amount doesn't look correct, return to the credit memo, confirm the applied amount, and save again. A quick page refresh can also help display the updated balance immediately. That's it. You've opened QuickBooks Online, navigated to your credit memos, applied one to the correct invoice, confirmed the amount, saved the transaction, and verified the updated balance. This simple process keeps your customer records accurate and ensures your accounts receivable reflects the right totals.